Hi, this is Mark Zhang. I'm the president and founder of the American Medical Extended Reality Association. I'm here at VMed 2026 doing booth tours, and I'm Annalise from Persistent Technologies. Persistent has a product called ReflectXR. Can you tell me more about ReflectXR, Annalise?
Yeah. ReflectXR is an art therapy-inspired mental health application which uses different art-making experiences to express and explore conscious and subconscious feelings and experiencing. We currently operate out of virtual reality technology to increase access to these creative forms of care and tools. But we've also designed and begun to develop a mobile application with the hopes of furthering that accessibility to creative forms of processing. We are involved in a few pilot studies right now, and we tailor the population use case. So we have a study that's grant funded in PTSD, and we're using a post-traumatic growth framework, which is really focused on the cool stuff. I think strength-based processing, like meaning making and narrative, pulling from narrative therapy to really understand a journey and how it's helped you grow as a person, really build that resiliency from it. We also have use cases in aging, oncology, burnout, and general wellness. But yeah, thanks for having me, Mark.
Wow.
And I'll shut up for now.
Very cool. No, this is awesome. So tell me more. So for the viewers that don't know much about art therapy, tell me more about kind of what that looks like when people use VR for art therapy.
Yeah.
And this is like kind of a demo, right?
Yeah, so what you're going to see is a big the bubble of this part, but it'll kind of get more back to the main thing. We have different experience suites, so we have a mandala coloring experience that'll pop up first and second.
Yeah.
And that's really based on regulation, but it's a big 3D design that they're listening to soothing instrumentals and filling in. It's really powerful for stress reduction. That's about to pop up. This is our menu screen.
Yeah.
Different libraries based on use case. All right. You see the four experience domains?
Yep.
Yeah. So they are tailored for use case, but they target different things. This is that mandala coloring. You can select your own mandala. And you're kind of immersed in this experience that just kind of helps you get into that rhythmic regulation.
Mm-hmm.
Explore Emotions is tailored towards how can I explore how I'm feeling in this moment, or sometimes different based on the use case. But we have mixed media images that we generate from platforms like Midjourney, words, drawing and painting tools. Explore Self is mask making, which is really powerful for processing identities. So we naturally project ourselves onto a face template, and people are always amazed at what comes out on their mask. And then this is Journey. We're actually updating this. This is our open space journey, but we're building a more structured journey that is going to be in our TRC4 study in this April, actually. That's going to be a huge journey screen, and you're on this step-by-step journey and adding art and really processing a transition, a diagnosis, a return home, whatever it may be.
Really cool. So where can people learn more about ReflectXR?
We have a website.
Yeah.
You can also reach out to me on LinkedIn or our boss, Alcides Santana. I don't know. Our website is reflectxr.com, I believe.
Reflect-xr.com, and that's Persistent Technologies.
Yeah.
Thank you, Annalise.
Bye. Thank you.
All right.